new. Hey, 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 hey. Even though I chase that change, nothing gon' change with the day for me. I'm just tryna move a little smarter. Shorty come and give a little brain to me. I'm just tryna work a little harder. Tryna keep my head above water. Man, I be swimming in these women. I be sticking to the mission, son. Now I'm not your father. Even though I chase that change.
It's your host, Jay Everyday, aka LeBron Gaines, aka Sleepy Joe Bidden, aka Al Broker, aka Sugar Ray Resistance, aka Trumpito Covito. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. Before we get into the news, if you're not investing, make sure you use my links below for a webull or Robinhood account for free stocks, aka free shmoney. This episode, we talk about the election. Trump finally admits to loss. We talk about the EV market, and we recap some of our plays from last week. So El Trumpito finally admits that he lost the election. We don't really care who wins who loses on this channel, but now that we see the clearer path to Biden taking the office, we're going to look at those sympathy plays such as the EV market, MJ plays or weed plays, clean energy, and shutdown stocks. With the rapid rate of the Rona cases every day, it looks more and more likely we'll see a shutdown here in America again, as other countries have already started. While I have my political opinion, we only politic the numbers on this channel, so let's go. The last month, the EV market was on an extremely bullish run. We witnessed stocks like NIO, Fisker, LI Auto, and Plug all have run-ups anywhere between 30 to 100% gains. We all know that Biden his administration loves clean energy. So when NIO is having a run, Fisker will have a slight pullback. Quick rotates in and out of these stocks will make excellent swing trades. We took a small position in Fisker, but I'll recap that later on in the episode. But I want you guys to be aware of all these EV stocks that I mentioned just due to Biden's administration. MJ plays, or also weed plays, will also do well under Biden's administration. As we know, it's now legal in New Jersey, so you're going to look for it to follow in the big states. This could be groundbreaking for stocks like Grow Generation, Aurora Cannabis, Sundial, and also the MJ ETF. As you know, these stocks have been running up left and right. So same thing. These are also excellent swing trades that you can kind of get in and out of and capitalize. I'm not sure if I like marijuana plays long term because it's just not something that I'm fully into or I've done my due diligence. But if you guys are looking to make some quick money, certainly put them on your watch list and give them a go. Now let's recap our plays from last week. Rocket. Ticker symbol RKT. I love this stock long term, but they've disappointed me short term so many times. We had two $124 calls expiring on 11/13. These pretty much turned to shit, resulting in me losing around $100 as I sold before the expiration dates. After great earnings and news, a massive sell-off began. So I re-entered a discounted $121 call expiring the same week. While we didn't get the rocket that we wanted from Rocket, I was able to at least exit my position without a loss. CORSAIR, ticker symbol CRSR. This is such a consistent stock, and I love holding this. So far, we're up about 46% on our original investment. I got in this stock around $18, give or take, and you see at one point we rode this bad boy up and almost hit $30. I'm super bullish on this, and I'll continue to buy this on red days. I have a feeling this stock will hit $50 at some point within the next year. I may enter long-term leak options, but I'll keep you guys posted. As you guys know, gaming isn't going anywhere, especially with new consoles that just came out. The Rona coming back. This will be a nice little stay-at-home play, and they kind of have the market corner. They have gaming systems, they have peripherals, they have keyboard, they have streaming gears, and they keep acquiring companies, making tons of money. So like I said, keep this on your watch list. Next up, we cover Fisker. In my opinion, this is just a cash grab. As you can see from the chart, we had consistent gains. We were up at one point this week like 20%. I'm not super bullish on this company long term, so it's not something that I would hold on to, only because I remember this car. They put out the Fisker Karma, and it was pretty much a dud. It came out and was actually supposed to compete with Tesla, and it never really amounted to much of anything. Originally, the car sold for roughly around, I say, 100 to 120,000. You could find these bad boys used for like 30 grand for a luxury EV. Like I said, this is, in my opinion, once again, just a cash grab. I still think that it has room to grow a little bit, but I'm looking to hit about 30% return on my investment and then just totally exit my position. I'll just take profits and move on. Next up, we're going to cover Nautilus, ticker symbol NLS. While the stock had amazing earnings, Pfizer on Monday announced COVID vaccine that was 90% effective, and this and all of the stay-at-home stocks dive. And you saw a 10 for recovery stocks start to take huge gains. We didn't take a loss on our small position because I had a stop loss setup, which is like key to investing in things, especially swing trades, especially during if you're holding stocks going into earnings. I set up stop losses so I'm not losing profits. I still think this will be the number 2 player in terms of exercise bias and equipments. I will try to dip back in with either leap options or shares if we approach a lockdown, but that's really the only way that I'm going to play this again. Lastly, we're going to cover Chargepoint, or the SPAC, ticker symbol SBE. I can't say enough about this stock. I'm super duper bullish. I really love it. While everybody's trying to figure out what car is going to win that EV race, right now Tesla's number 1, and we all hope to figure out a position who plays number 2. Everybody forgets that you need to charge these babies. So you need to go to charging stations, or you need to have some in-home solution to charge your electronic vehicle. This company is the number 1 supplier for charging stations globally, and they also have one of the top-rated home charging systems available on Amazon. On Thursday, when this baby was read, I picked up 1750 calls, expiring on 11/20 at a discounted price. I quick swing trade into Friday morning, and we took profits and made around almost about $200 before 10 a.m. As for me, the majority of my investments, my accounts have been converted to cash. I'm really only holding small positions for swing trades and options contracts till we get some normalcy in the market. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the format. I'm still trying to figure out the direction I want to go on the channel, so please leave comments below. If you're not subscribed, make sure you like, smash the subscribe button. Till the next episode, it's your boy Jay Everyday, aka Penny Stock Hardaway, aka LeBron Games. Let's go.
Hey. Even though I chase that change, nothing gon' change but the day for me. I'm just tryna move a little smarter. Shorty come and give a little brain to me. I'm just tryna work a little harder, tryna keep my head above water. Man, I be swimming in these women, I be sticking to the mission, son. Now I'm not your father. Even though I chase that change.